Yo, welcome back guys to the channel. Today we're doing a quick video on the Skyline. We're doing the spark plugs. It's a 93 GTST RB25DET turbo. I got the cute little LED lights, neon lights underneath. Cute. Let me hit the lights, show you how it looks. Kind of cute, Fast and Furious style, Need for Speed. So for this one, I was told these are the best spark plugs to get. It's a NGK iridiums. There's the part number. So because I guess I was told by my mechanic, my Skyline has some non-iridium plugs in there, which we need to replace. So I'll throw them in there real quick, and that should improve my performance, I guess, a little more. So you're supposed to have a little cover here. Mine's already off. Let me show you what it looks like. I think it's over here. Yep, I had it off. So a couple screws hold it down. It sits like this inside there. So get the screws off, and then you gotta slide it out. You can also get some pliers. Take this hose off, pull it back, tilt it up, so you can slide this cover off. Okay, and the rest is super easy. 8mm little nuts over there, bolts. Those come out. You might get a little swivel adjuster, like an angle extender, to get into some tight places. But easy job. Let's go. All right, we got all the coils out of there. Now we're gonna take one of these 5/8 spark plug socket. You can see here 5/8. So we're gonna get the spark plugs out of there. Get them swapped in with the new ones. So that's my old plug, HKS. And this is my new plugs. So I guess the old one looks a little old, worn out there. But let's see how she acts with the new ones in there. And I guess it should be better. So we got the plugs snug, not over tighten them, just snug enough, and that should be good. I'm gonna get the coils back in there, put the bolts to hold them in there, and we should be almost finished. I got all the plugs in there, coils back on. Let's get the key started and see how she sounds. Key over here, okay. Shoot, I was in first gear. Dang. Seems okay so far. Nice. Seems good. Job done. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. We got more videos in the Skyline, Evo, and more cars. See ya.